Okay, June 24th. SS Chevelle coming in. There we are at the swap meet. Looks like about a 67. 396. How you doing today?
Ruby, how about yourself?
Beautiful. Sounds nice. 383 two-speed power glide?
Turbo 400.
Ah, Turbo 400 with the original console though. Yeah. That's the sound of the 67 SS.
He said if you give him the money.